So I'm about to tell you how you can make rain videos just like this, and you can make hundreds to $1,000s a day without ever showing your face, without ever talking in the videos. And I am about to show you how to make these videos, where you need to go to find the sounds, where you can go to find the pictures of the videos to put in there. I'm going to show you how you can do it on a computer or on a phone. And lastly, I'm going to show you how I actually created a channel just to see if anybody would bite on it, to prove to you that this can work. Let's go. What's up, guys? This is Monique and welcome back to the channel. I am back with the news that you can use. But first, if you are new here, hello, bonjour, hola, aloha, konnichiwa, wagwan, shalom, assalamu alaikum. Thanks for stopping by, but don't be a stranger. Hit that subscribe button and join the family. So jumping right into this, I want to show you what these videos consist of. And so we have rain on a window here, and it is just going to be one shot of a window with some rain, and it's going to have rain sounds. As I advance through this, nothing changes. It's just this one shot, and they probably just have it looping, and it's as simple as that. These are the type of videos that are getting millions of views a day. And look at this video here. This video is rain sounds with a still picture in it. There's nothing actually going on other than the sounds, and it has 130 million views. So I'm going to take you on over to Social Blade, and Social Blade is just a place where you can find analytics on different channels, and they tell you how much they're getting paid. Usually what they say a person is making is way less than what they are actually making, because what they say my channel is making, I am making way more than that. So we're going to go ahead on and take a look at the Relaxed Guy. He does rain videos, and it shows that his estimated earnings is anywhere from $143 to $2.3 thousand a day. I told you this is not clickbait. I'm not just trying to get you to watch this video, but I'm trying to get you to make this money. So what most of these people are using is Pexels, and Pexels is where you can get free stock photos that are royalty free, and you can use them. And a lot of people always ask this first question: well, I know they're royalty free, but isn't it illegal to sell them or make money off of them? The answer is no, but only if. Let's go ahead on up here to the license. We scroll down. You can use the photos for free. You do not have to have any attribution to it, and you can modify them. So the thing is, you cannot sell unaltered copies of a photo or video. So if you are just taking this photo and video and putting it up there and saying, here, this is what I'm just going to sell as is, that's illegal. However, we are making alterations to this thing. So if we are going to do a rain video, then we're going to go up here and type in rain. And when we type in rain, you can just use a photo if you want to, because a lot of people only use photos, or you can use videos. And look at this video right here. They have a nice rain video. You can just have this. All you have to do is just kind of come scan through, see what you like, and just keep in mind, if you are doing something that is focusing on helping people to sleep, you don't want a lot of bright colors and light. So it is probably best to use darker screens or even black screen. Now what I use to edit is Final Cut Pro, but there's also iMovie if you have Apple products, or with Windows. I don't know if they still have Windows Movie Maker, but just to give you an idea of how it works, what I would do, I will go up here, make a new project, and then we're just gonna leave it untitled. And then I'm going to take my video that I just downloaded of the rain, and then I just drag and drop it into my project. Now this video is only 14 seconds. Now if you notice, a lot of these rain videos are 10 hours, 8 hours. This one here is 24 hours. Now let me tell you how you will make this as long as that. It's just gonna be a lot of copy and paste, all right? So maybe there is a better way of doing this, but I'm gonna just show you what I know, okay? And I click on it, I go up here to copy, or paste on the Mac is Command V. So then I just take my Command V and I just keep hitting it and going fast. And another thing you can do too, once you get to like a higher number, maybe 10 minutes, 20 minutes, right now I'm at 28, you just click and hold shift on the last video you have in there, and you scroll to the front, and then you click on that so that it can highlight all of them. And then at that point I just copied that, because now we have our 28 minutes. All right, and now I'm going to go back to hitting Command V, and look at that. Now it's about an hour project, and then that saves a lot of time. I'm so sorry, I don't mean to interrupt, but if you can be so kind and just please like this video for me, it will help me out. Not gonna keep you long. Let's get back to it. Now we have a video that's just going to continue looping here, but now we need those rain sounds. So I'm just going to show you what I use, because there are a lot of other sites that you can go to, but the best thing, the highest quality thing that I use is going to be here at Epidemic Sound. And none of this is sponsored, y'all. I'm just really giving y'all the stuff that I use on a daily basis. And on Epidemic Sound, however, you will have to have a membership, and it is $19 a month. But the good thing about it is you can start a free trial, and the trial is for 30 days, I believe. So if you invest all of your time and energy to trying to build this channel for 30 days, you can actually see if it's worth it. So let me show you how you find the rain sounds. And we're just going to go up here to search, and we're going to type in rain. And when we search, it's going to let us know the music that's associated with rain and sound effects. We're going to go to sound effects, and then we're going to listen to some sounds. This is a rain downpour here. We have rain umbrella. They have raindrops. They have rain gutter. There's a lot of different sounds on here, which can make your video unique and stand out to others. You could do a mixture of things. So once we downloaded our rain sound, I just drag and drop it onto our project over here, and then I pretty much do the same thing. I copy it and I paste it, and I'm going to just keep on doing that over and over and over. And y'all, honestly, at this point, that is your completed video. You do not have to do anything else. You have a rain video with some sound and some image. And just to show you really quickly, in case you wanted to just do a black screen, what I usually do, I go up here to my generators, and there's a custom one here that's black, and I just add it on top of there, and you can actually drag this out, and you basically get this black screen with some rain sounds. You can do a lot of different type of videos that people are looking for. One of them is nature sounds or water sounds. So I could just type in here waterfall in pixels, and then we're going to go to videos, and then you can find you a nice waterfall here. Look at that. And once we go back up here to Epidemic, then I type in waterfall, and they have so many different waterfall sounds here. So you can get really creative with this and make a lot of stuff. And for my folks who do not have a computer and want to be able to do this from your phone, the answer first and foremost is yes, you can do that. And you'll just use the same two things that I just told you about. There's a Pexels app and an Epidemic Sound app. So with Pexels, you'll do the same thing. Type in rain if you're making rain videos, and you want to hit on video, and look, that same one comes up first. So you're going to go to your iMovie if you have that, and we're going to click on movie to start a new project. Then we're going to hit create movie. So then once we download our video, we're going to click on it, and we are going to add it. And now that rain video is added to our phone, and then I just click it to select it, and then I hit duplicate, and I just keep on doing that until it reaches the time that I want it to. But it's not going to honestly take a whole lot of time. It's just going to take a little bit of time. How about that? So now that we have all of our clips in place, we are going to go and add our sound. Click on the Epidemic Sound app, and we will be brought to this screen. We just going to search for rain like we just recently did. Hit enter, hit sound effects. You go through, find whichever rain you would like. We're going to click on the three dots in the corner, and then we're going to hit download and export. And from there, you'll be brought to this screen. You slide all the way over and hit more. And then you just go down and look for iMovie right there. We already had our project. It was called My Movie 7. So then it's going to download and be added to this. And so what we're going to do now is have to select our rain just like we did with the other clips and duplicate. We're going to have to keep on doing that until it reaches that 10-hour mark, and then we have a completed video on our phone. Same way we did it on the computer, y'all. This is so easy. So now there should be no excuses, y'all. You can do it on your computer, you can do it on your phone. And I'm going to show you the channel I created, a video I created, and if it was successful or not. But before I even go into that, some other videos that do well on here other than rain videos, people are looking for Zen music, they are looking for study music. There's people that need prayer type of instrumentals, and there are a lot of instrumentals and different music on Epidemic Sound that you can play around with, so you can have a lot of fun and you can make a lot of money. And now I'm going to show you the channel that I created. I created this channel about 7 months ago. I put 3 videos on it just to kind of see how it would do. I didn't put a lot of energy into it. At this point I have 18 subscribers, not a lot. But also, when you look at a lot of these type of channels, many of these channels have millions of views, but they don't have a whole lot of subscribers. Of course, they have over 1,000 because that's how many subscribers you need in order to be monetized on YouTube, plus 4,000 watch time hours. But I'm just saying that you don't need to have 1 million subscribers to make good money on YouTube. So I did 3 videos, and this background is so beautiful, y'all. And the relaxing water sounds got 13 views. That one got 88 views. It's getting a little better, y'all. And then my relaxing peaceful music with water sounds, that one has 560 views. And I'm showing you guys this to show you that I put very minimal effort into doing this, and I was able to get 560 views on one video. So imagine if you take your time every day for the next 30 days and upload at least one of these a day, or 2 if you can. Imagine how much growth you can possibly see. They don't all have to be 10 hours. You can do some that's 3 hours. You can do some that's 6, 8. And also a big one, make sure you're using the right titles that people are looking for. If you were tired, you couldn't sleep, and you are looking for something to help you, what would you type in? That should always be your thought process when you are creating titles. But you want to try to target a particular type of audience, because this is such a huge field. There are a lot of people that are making these videos, a lot of competition out there. So you want to try to make sure you target a specific area or a specific group of people so that those people can find you. And so I am showing you how to edit on the computer for these really quick, simple, easy videos, and also on the phone. But I am going to be doing an editing course coming up really soon. If you are interested in getting more detail and learning how to edit like a YouTube pro, make sure you click that link down in the description so that I can help get you there. I thank you so much for watching. Please like this video if you have not. Also subscribe to the channel. And other than that, until next time, we are out. Peace.